Your organization needs an EHS platform capable of meeting today's complex health and safety challenges. When managing compliance across multiple sites, teams, and regulatory frameworks, the right software isn't just helpful, it's essential to protecting your people and proving real return on investment. Relying on spreadsheets or outdated systems leaves your team vulnerable. A modern integrated EHS platform gives you the visibility, efficiency, and control required to reduce risk, lower costs, and improve operational performance. ERA's cloud-based EHS solution centralizes your health and safety processes, replacing inconsistent manual workflows with automation, standardization, and real-time insights. The result? A proactive, scalable approach to EHS management. Streamline incident reporting with automated workflows that capture events quickly, identify root causes, and assign corrective actions, reducing downtime and preventing recurrence. Dynamic smart forms simplify incident entry, while automated OSHA record keeping ensures accuracy and regulatory confidence. Strengthen your safety culture through inspection management, near-miss reporting, and auditing tools that help you standardize procedures across every location. Integrated HR data keeps employee records current, making workers' compensation and insurance reporting faster and more accurate. ERA also equips your organization with robust training and learning management tools. You can assign, deliver, and verify training completion, keeping your workforce compliant and informed. With centralized data across all modules, ERA enables true performance visibility, highlighting trends that demonstrate how your safety initiatives reduce incidents, mitigate risks, and drive financial benefits. Beyond safety, ERA also supports your environmental compliance, chemical management, and sustainability initiatives. As a secure, cloud-based platform, ERA scales with your organization and supports multi-site and international operations, ensuring consistency no matter your footprint. By consolidating EHS systems, automating complex workflows, and empowering decision-making with high-quality data, ERA helps organizations stay compliant, reduce risk, and significantly lower administrative burdens. Clients maximize the full value of our software, experiencing seamless implementation and daily use. Supported by ERA's best-in-class Gold Stevie Award, winning customer service, internationally recognized for excellence in technology-driven support. If you're ready to modernize your approach to health and safety, ERA's comprehensive EHS platform may be the ideal fit. Book a discovery call with one of ERA's project analysts by clicking the link in the description and discover how ERA can meet your organization's unique EHS needs.